This is the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. We are going to be unboxing and giving this guy a review. We are going to go ahead and unbox this baby so that you can take a look firsthand. This little microphone that is so good for your everyday camera and for your cell phone if you're on the move and on the go, which we always often are, aren't we? Let's take a peeky. We got a little sticker on the bottom here. First off, we've got some paperwork here. We are here for you after sales card. These are the awesome stickers that go on the little microphones if you wish to cover up the Hollyland branding. That is so nice that they include that. Sometimes you might have a client or something that you're shooting with and you just want it to blend into their shirt and not stick out. This is the quick guide. We have the compliance information and the packing list. We will set that aside. This is battery case for it. It holds the two microphones and the receiver. You can see here, there we go. And this is supposed to hold 40 hours of battery life inside this little box, which is just awesome. Take these little stickers off here. There's one on the bottom and on the top of the connectors for the little microphones. You can see this is the little magnet that is on here, so it just attaches to your shirt, which is nice. Once those little stickers are taken off, you put it back in the charging case and they will go ahead and start charging here. I will show you. There's one on the bottom of the camera receiver and on the top, and then that bumps back in, and now you can see that all of the lights have turned on, so it is now charging. We will set that aside. We have the lightning bolt for iPhone users, the receiver for the phone right here, and then we have the USB Type-C connector for all the Android users out there. I did confirm recently that the new iPhones with USB Type-C do work with this USB Type-C connector, so the lightning port really is just for anybody who is using the older versions of the phones. Oh, let's see if there's anything else in the box here. Of course there is. We are gonna have all of the accessories because this little microphone comes with a little carrying case and some bonus extras, which is so awesome. There we go. We've got an empty box there. Okay, so here is the accessories case. It says Hollyland, made to inspire on the top, and it's a little cinch case, so that's easy for travel. And we've got all of the fun little things in here. Should we just dump it out? Let's just dump it out. Woo! That's it. So there's room to carry everything in here, including the battery pack. You could even stuff the stickers and the paperwork in there if you wanted. This is gonna be the little magnetic clips for clipping the microphones. This is gonna be the lanyards that come with it. Yes, it is. And what I like about these lanyards is that they are magnetic as well. So you got to get it on the right side of the magnet. Here we go. Right side of the magnet. The little microphones will magnet to it. The one thing that I don't like about these lanyards is that I feel like the magnet in here is a little bit flimsy and it tends to just come out of the ring really easily. So you would have to be aware of that. And I understand that the microphones are really small. And they are, so if you take this off, very powerful little magnets, so it just hangs there, which you can see. If it were to get caught on something, you can see the magnet just stays on there and it would just fall off pretty easily. So just keep that in mind if you decide to use the lanyards. Probably best if you don't wear a lot of clunky sweaters or jackets and purses and things. It won't get caught on anything. In the summertime, that could be really convenient and easy. We've got two more here. These look like the wind covers for the microphones. Here we go. So those just go attach right on there. The other convenient thing is when these are in here, there is a tiny little arrow on the back that, I don't know if you can see, there's a tiny little arrow on the back. There we go. So that you know which way is up. If you were to put this little wind thing on here, it sort of covers everything up, and then the light indicator is where the microphone is. So if you have this little wind guard on there, then you can't see the light indicator. And so that's a nice little touch that they put this little arrow on the back of it so that you know which way the microphone is going up. Noise cancellation on these, if you press this little yellow button once, this blue light will turn orange, I believe. And then it will turn blue when wind cancellation is off, and it probably needs to be connected to a phone for you to see that. Also included, before I forget, is the charging cable, which plugs into the back of the battery case right here, and then the camera on your DSLR or mirrorless camera system, and that plugs right into the side of the receiver, which is right here, and then this would plug right into the side of your camera. That is the Hollyland Lark M2. We will give it a test next. Okay, so this is the audio straight out of my cell phone, and you can see the audio is pretty bad. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the USB Type-C to my Android phone. I am on a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I know that's like 4 years old, and it's still great because look. Okay, so it is showing the two little blue dots on the receiver. One is flashing and one is not flashing, and this is not flashing either, so I can see that it's connected. If I press this little yellow button here, that blue light will turn green, and that's indicating that the noise reduction or wind reduction is on. So you can already hear that the audio quality is much, much better. The little wind screen here would go on over it, and you would use that on a really windy day. I'll go ahead and throw it on my shirt here. You can see the audio varies if it's closer to my mouth and if it's further away. I think that these are excellent little microphones if you are traveling or you're just on the go all the time, or you're working with clients and you need something small and discreet. It does come in white and black, and then you have those little stickers as well to cover up the little logo if you don't like. You could also just tuck this right inside your shirt if you wanted to hide it more and be more discreet. I think it's pretty socially acceptable these days to be wearing a microphone. Most people are. I mean, everybody knows about these little guys, these big guys. So you can see the size difference significantly there to the DJI mic for the Hollyland Lark M2. These are on sale right now on Amazon. The prices come down on these, which I think is awesome. You can buy just the USB Type-C version, where you just get the USB Type-C connector and the two little microphones here. I got the combo because I am working with clients. I'm out and about all the time. I wanted to be able to do interviews. So if there's two people, I could put one on one person and one on the other. I could start using my Canon EOS R8 with the receiver that it comes with. Previously, I had purchased just the USB Type-C version, which everything fits just nicely. The little receiver and the two little microphones fit right in the battery box, really nice on the go. So you get a few extra things with the combo. I highly recommend this little guy for the price. I do believe that they are on sale right now. I will throw the Amazon affiliate link down in the description below if you want to go ahead and check it out for yourself. This was not sponsored by them. I purchased this with my own money. This is my own opinion of this microphone. If you have any questions about this little microphone, or you want to learn more, hear more about it, please leave a comment down below and I will make a video and put that out there for you answering those questions, or just respond to you down in the comments. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button if that's your thing, and share it with a friend. We will see you next time. Bye.